Alright, fat boy, listen up. This is my computer. You feel me? And I'm going to show you how to wipe the drive on it since your computer is messing up. Gotta make this video short because my iPad ain't got that much power on it. Okay. First, what you will want to do, pop this side off. Yeah. Pop the side off and expose your computer's innards. Okay. Let me show you what everything is. That's your graphics card right here. That's your LAN card. Now this is a wireless card. That's your LAN card. Wireless graphics card cooling system. It's your fan. It works together. This fan works together to cool your computer. This is your power supply right here. And this is what you want to be messing with, your hard drive. This is how it should look. Okay. Okay. This right here, that's the cord that connects your hard drive to the actual computer. Okay. This right here gives the hard drive power to spin. And oh my God. Okay. This is the hard drive. Hold up.